I pull you go. Medyo may ipit. May ungot na tinatawag. May and from here. And tightness ng diaphragm. I pull you go. Closer to my chest. I knew I love you then. So, kailangan paganahin mo si head. Sige, sample natin ha. Kantahin mo yung first part to chorus.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you're throwing up. Then you smile over your shoulder. For a minute I was still sober. I'll pull you closer to my chest.
Okay. Stop muna. Pause muna, sir. Then, pagdating dun sa then you smile, kailangan mas maluwag pa at mas relax pero gagamitin mo yung nasal. Gagamitin natin ang nasal. Kailangan then firm yung paglabas ng boses mo ha. Hindi yung then you smile, yung parang may konting panginginig.
Okay.
Kailangan diretso na.
Yes.
Then you smile over your shoulder. Malinaw. Then yung mouth, kailangan proper way yung pagbuka ng mouth natin ha. Then you smile over your shoulder. I pull you go. Medyo may ipit. I pull you go. May ungot na tinatawag. May and from here. And tightness ng diaphragm. I pull you go. Closer to my chest. I knew I love you then. So, kailangan paganahin mo si head. And si chest. That's why you need to use the mix voice. And 90% support ng diaphragm. So, hindi siya, I knew I love you then. Yung parang nahihirapan. I knew I love you then. So, ito na siya. Yun yung tinuturo ko sa'yo sa warm-up na yung tightness from here, yung tightness, yung ungot, yung sikip, yung pagkasikip dito, kailangan bugahan mo siya ng boses, but eto sir, close yung ano dito, airflow natin dito, which is close siya. Gets? Ano siya, sarado yung ilong mo, na parang alam mo yung ngongo, yung pagka nagiging ngongo tayo magsalita. Oy, amot na. 'Di ba? Walang lumalabas na sound dito kasi eto, which is parang barado yung kanilang ganito. So para ka may sipon. Pero kailangan yung pag-flow ng boses mo, hindi siya tunog ganun ha. I knew I love you then. Hindi ganun. Pangit yun. So, yun lang ang gagamitin mong tension, yung sensation from here. So, I knew I love you then. You never know. So yung sikip from here and tightness from here, kailangan para ka nagbuhat ng mabigat na merong okay? So kailangan malinaw yung paglabas ng voice. Okay, hindi siya hindi maluwag ang pagka-tight kasi pag maluwag, may tendency I knew I love you. Sasabit ka or manginginig ang boses mo.